All right, hi guys. In the last two videos, right, we actually watched how we can actually do vector addition and subtraction using column vectors. In this video, let us revise and take a look how can we apply triangular law of vector addition, right, to apply, and this is a very important skill. So based on what we have done, right, so if I'm going to apply triangle law, what we will need to notice, to take note will be to identify the starting point and also the ending point. All right, so the starting point in this case is a P, ending point is a Q. So I will know very well that my ending point here has to be a Q. And then what I also noticed that R is the intermediate point. So therefore, the vector in the end I will get will be RQ. Yeah. So if you look at B, so I have TS, vector TS is equals to TU. So in this case, the intermediate point is U and the ending point is S. So this is easily done. So if you take a look at the BG, so I will need to identify the starting point, which is B, and then the intermediate. In this case, I get the clue from here, which is a H. So I know it is BH. So this will be the vector addition. Then the next question, XV. So again, I know in this case, the starting point that I have is X, and then the intermediate point is U. So therefore, this will be XU. So XV is equals to XU plus UV. And then for part E, what I have here is the starting point is A and the ending point is G. So this is easily done. I will have this is as AG. All right. So similarly with F, so I can see what is the starting and the ending point. So therefore, I know that this is SP. This may seem very easy at this point in time, but the challenge will be how can we apply this when we solve more complicated questions that involve vectors. Yeah. Now, so let's further practice. So now the next questions will be I want to find PR. So again, it is easily to identify the intermediate point is Q. So therefore, I will know that PR eventually by vector addition, this will give me PQ plus QR. So by applying matrices, I can easily add up the numerals to get the value for the column vector for PR. So over here, the next question, all right, which is part B, then I have AC, CD, and DB. So I have three vectors. So for this question, for us to find vector AB, it is simply, I just need to connect. So I have point C as an intermediate point. And then the next one will be, I have point D as an intermediate point. So therefore, to find AB, it is simply just to sum up A, C plus CD plus DB. So by putting all the three vectors together, I will be able to get the column vector for AB. Now, so let's take a look at what happened to vector subtraction then. So in this case, we want to do vector subtraction. So to do subtraction, what we can do is we can straight away just apply the basic, which is the triangle law of addition. So if we make a bit of the observation, right? So if I want to find BF, so what I have is FJ and BJ. So what it is important is to form the first vector addition using the triangle law. So from here, I can easily say that, oh, if I want to find BF, BF is the same as BJ plus JF. So this is the first step, the most important one. Now, so with this, right, then you notice that, hey, I don't have JF, but what I do have is FJ. And at this point, all of us should be familiar with negative vectors. So I will be able to identify that JF is actually the negative vectors of FJ. So by putting all these together, I can easily find what is the vector of BF. Yeah. So with this All right, BF is done. So let's look at the next question. So the next one that we want to find is we want to find FG. So again, we're going to apply triangle law or vector addition. So I will know that FG is equals to FE plus EG with E as the intermediate point. So again, if we make the observation, EG I already have. So what I observe is that what is given is EF, but what I need is FE. So there is a relationship between EF and FE. So it's just reverse the direction. So with this, I can easily, again, just like part B, I can easily find what is FG by putting them together. So if you look at the next one, I want to find XY. So again, let's apply triangle law, right? So the triangular law, this will give me XY equals to XZ plus ZY. So with this together, then I notice that I can simply just reverse the direction of ZX. And then with this, I will be able to find what is the column vector for XY. Right, so with this, I hope it's simple enough for all of us. Thank you and see you.